Right, here we go, guys. This way, this way. My generosity has no bounds.
What's this?
Are you fucking...
Well, it wasn't my idea, but boys wanted to do a bike race and we left for Addy to organize it.
A bike race?
Yeah, a bike race.
So
It's my first bike race as well. So I'm
yeah,
kind
and
of
mine.
excited.
So what I've done, I know it sounds very extravagant, but I've bought 3 Superbikes and we're going to go and race in them now. Okay, let's go and see what happens.
Okay.
That sounds fishy.
Yeah.
Right, here we go, guys. This way, this way. My generosity has no bounds.
What's this?
Are you fucking serious?
I'll beat that one out. Don't worry about it. Right, go. I'd like to introduce you to the Superbikes. This is the first official, the Good, the Mad and the Bubbly challenge. So before we go on a racetrack...
Hold on a second, put the camera there.
Yeah.
So here they are. We've got 1 bike each.
What did I get on that?
Yeah.
So this is the what? Le Mans style?
Yeah, so Le Mans style. So rather than standing in a row there, you're gonna run. First, if you want to get to this bike, we're gonna run from over there, and obviously you probably want to get that bike because we're gonna go around clockwise.
So this is what? What do we
Right.
start
So
from here?
yeah. So effectively, it's going to be a start. We're going to do 3 circuits.
3?
Yeah. So 1, 2, and then that third one is the winner who goes over that past that line. Now, other rules. If you touch code, you're instantly disqualified. So you've got to make sure you don't try and cut it. You've got to go around it. That's the only way to do it. Right? Don't touch the code. Other rules? There ain't any other rules.
Okay, no.
I'll tell you what excited. Right, okay. Right, you count down, cameraman. From
Get
3,
set,
2, 1.
go!
Hey, mate, you're right here. Get that Right, get on it. No, you can't do that. Get on the bike. I don't count. Like that. Oh, I'm definitely already. Oh, it's cheating.
That's a cheating, man! Come on! No!
Medic!
I told you you're gonna crash with him!
I can't get it in. I'm knackered. Well, 1 lap then. No, I'm the only one who's done it properly. By default.
You crashed again!
I didn't crash.
That's rubbish.
Oh my god, I'm knackered.
Well done.
Woo! I won the race.
You really disqualified.
You
I'm
did.
not disqualified.
I can't
You
really-
said there was no other
You
rules.
dressed up and you ran. No, not like that.
Technically,
There is no other rules.
there's no rules. She's right.
Think
No.
smart, not hard.
Yeah, she's right.
Not having
You-
that. This is bollocks. I demand a
You said to
rematch.
go around,
Exactly. You said
but
the
you didn't
rules,
justify.
not
You have
me.
to ride it.
Yeah,
So
It's a bit obvious, isn't it, really?
exactly.
It wasn't a running race, it was a bike race. Flipping
Oh my
it.
God.
Don't hate me for being clever.
Oh, I'm knackered, Ray.
Well
That's never
done.
gonna
I
happen.
won it. What is my
Right,
prize?
look.
Can I have a cake?
I'll tell you what, look. We won't do it again now because I'm knackered. I'm far too old for this shit. And we've got too many cheats here.
Yeah, we'll
But
probably come up with other rules.
we'll have
now.
the next one at maybe a bike like at Rikers or something. We'll put it out and we'll do it. Everybody else going to be, what the hell's going on?
Which bike?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, which bike?
No, we'll do it again, but we'll take it around the country on tour. We're starting a new thing here. Mini bike challenge. I'll tell you what.
It's quite tiring.
Oh dear, I hope you enjoyed it. If you come up with any crazy ideas for us to do, let us know on the channel.
Don't forget to subscribe it.
He's
Until
gonna
then,
do it
I'm
all.
the winner!
He's
Winner!
gonna- I'm a winner. I'm a
You
winner.
are not the winner.
You lost.